திருப்பி இதை ஊதுட்டு தான் நடணும். ஆமாம் சார், ஒன்றும் அப்படி வேலை தானம்மா, விவசாய கூலி வேலை கிடைக்கல, வேலை கிடைக்கல. அந்த 100 நாள் வேலை அதுவும் இல்லை.
Whatever has happened should be immediately assessed, and then based on the assessment, compensation should be provided. There is no doubt that in some parts of Pondicherry as well as Tamil Nadu, there have been recurring instances of cyclone and flooding, which has been resulting in the loss of lives and loss of agricultural crops. People have been becoming homeless, and therefore a massive exercise needs to be undertaken to find out as to what needs to be done so that this recurring damage to lives and property and crops does not happen again and again repeatedly. We are aware that since the time of tsunami and afterwards there have been instances where people have been faced with situations like this, and therefore the need of the hour is that the central and the state governments should first of all make a proper assessment. What about urban planning? What about taking various measures about sewage treatment as well as proper sewerage systems? What about the encroachment in different parts? I think only after doing that exercise and taking various political parties along with them, I think then a way can be found out.